How to use Immersive View in Google Maps. Let's get started. First off, make sure you have already updated your Google Maps app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. With that, your map will open up. Now at the top right, you'll find this kind of icon. Click on it. With that, you'll find two pop-up, map type and map details. For the map details, you will have to set it to 3D for the immersive view. After you set it to 3D, you can search for the place for which you want the immersive view. I'm gonna search for Eiffel Tower. With that, you'll get this option immersive view over here. Click on it. Entering immersive view. Just wait for a few seconds, and with that, you'll get the detailed view. With immersive view, explore locations with detailed 3D models from street level imagery. Get live traffic and weather updates for better navigation through congestion and bad weather. Just use your fingers and you can get the whole view in this way. So this is how you can use immersive view in Google Maps. That's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.